hold on. Okay, Mama's gonna read it. Ready? Someone sweet who's loved a ton is having birthday number 1. She's wished big fun the whole year through. Peekaboo! Surprise! It's you! Oh, so thank you, Grandma, for the card. Thank you. Thank you. Say thank you.